Good morning. This is a short strength practice, a soft strength practice. We're going to be working strengthening throughout the whole body, getting ourselves nice and warm so that we can step out into the day knowing that we've done something for ourselves first. We are going to start in a cat-cow position, finding yourself in a tabletop. So shoulders are in line with your wrist, your knees are in line with your hips, and we will take a few cat-cow. So inhale, belly drops, chin lifts. Energetically pull the wrists back, squeeze the shoulder blades. And exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest. Spread those shoulder blades nice and wide. 3 more with your breath. Last one, inhale. And exhale, round chin to chest. Inhale to a neutral tabletop position. We're just going to sway the hips left and right, left and right. Maybe turn the palms so your fingertips are pointing to the sides of the mat, opening up through the wrists, forearms. Then turning your fingers back to face your knees, maybe rocking back and forward just a little bit. Planting your palms firmly now and tucking the toes under, we're going to find a plank position. We're going to drop the chest through and then push up. So doing a few shoulder shrugs. We really push. 2 more. Last one. Push up and back, downward facing dog. A few deep breaths here, pedaling it out left and right. Let's round forward, find plank. From this position, you're going to bend the knees, open the knees wide, push back, Malasana. Come forward plank to Malasana. 2 more. One more here. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. Downward facing dog. Pedal it out. From here, turning all 10 toes to the right. Take your right hand and tap your left ankle. Drop your left knee. Reach up towards the ceiling with your right hand. We'll do this 3 more times. So pick up the left knee, tap the left ankle with the right hand. Drop the left knee, reach up. 1 more. Hold it here. You'll reach that right arm over, let the elbow bend, and then push your hips towards the back of the mat. For 3, feel that nice stretch. 2, and 1. Step your right foot up to the top of the mat. Low lunge. Inhale, arms come up. So in your low lunge, just notice right away if you're just hanging out here. So tuck the tailbone under. Energetically pull the right heel back. Find strength. 3, 2, 1 more breath. Inhale. And on the exhale, sweep the arms back. Dig the right heel into the floor. Moving with your breath. For 3. This is where you can sink and push the hips forward. Last one. Lift the left knee up off of the mat. Runner's lunge. From here, lean the chest over like you're looking over a ledge or a cliff. Sweep your arms back. Pick up your left foot. Find warrior three. Gently on the next breath, step back so that you're in a pyramid position. Keep the arms reaching towards the top of the mat. Energetically scissor your right hip back, left hip forward. Gently plant your hands down to the inside of your right foot and step back, downward facing dog. Pedal it out, left and right. Let's turn all 10 toes towards the left. Take your left hand, tap your right ankle, drop your right knee, reach your left arm up. 3 more. Pick up your right knee, tap your right ankle, drop your right knee, reach up. We're going to hold it here. Arm is reaching up towards the ceiling and then over the ear. Push your hips towards the back of the mat. Maybe you allow that elbow to dangle, to bend. 3, 2, 1. Step that left foot up. Low lunge. Inhale, arms rise. So again, we're not sinking into our flexibility. We're finding strength. Inhale, grow tall here. Exhale, sweep your arms back as you straighten that left leg with your breath. 3 moves. On this last one, inhale, rise, pick up your right knee. Sweep your arms back, lean the chest forward, pick up your right foot, find warrior 3. Gently and gracefully step that right foot back. Keep your arms reaching forward towards the top of the mat for pyramid. Nice flat back. You're pushing your right heel back. Next exhale, windmill your hands down, frame your left foot, and step back. Downward facing dog. Pedal it out. From here, let's drop to the knees. Knees come out wide. Big toes touch. Send your hips back towards your heels. And find a much needed child's pose. So really pushing your palms towards the top of the mat to send your hips back towards your heels. Arms are nice and active. So your elbows are lifted. Let's take a nice cleansing breath here. Inhale. Open the mouth and sigh it out. Lift the gaze, rise, rock forward, and we'll come to lay on our backs. Finding a happy baby. Bend the knees in towards the chest, grabbing the pinky toe edge of your feet. So pulling your feet down. So you draw the shoulders down by your ears and pushing the back of your skull and tailbone into the floor. Gently from here, let's close the shape. Bring the soles of the feet to the floor. Cross your right knee over the left. Draw the knees back in towards the chest. Grab a hold of opposite ankles. For reclined shoelace, taking that stretch in the outer outer right hip. Release the grip, drop both knees to the left. You can cactus the arms. Look over the right shoulder. Bring the gaze back towards the ceiling. Push your left foot into the floor. Draw your knees all the way back up. Uncross the right knee. Right foot comes to the floor. The left knee crosses over the right. Pick your feet up. Grab opposite ankles. Release the grip on the ankles, but keep the shape. And drop the shape over towards the right. Cactusing the arms. Looking over the left shoulder. Bring the gaze back towards the ceiling. Push into the right foot to help draw the shape all the way back up. Uncross, readjust your hips. Finding your resting pose, you can bring the soles of the feet to touch if you'd like. And just bringing your hands onto your belly. Let's take 3 cleansing breaths here. So take a nice big inhale. Open the mouth, audible exhale. 2 more, inhale. And sigh it out. Last one, inhale. And let it go. Gently beginning to invite little flickers of movement back into the body. Feeling the fingers, the toes. Rotating the ankles, the wrists. Let's bend the knees one by one. Roll over onto our sides. You can cradle the head in the upper arm. And then gently from here, pushing yourself all the way up to a seat. With your eyes closed, let's draw the shoulders up towards the ears, nice and tight. And exhale down the back. Gently opening the eyes. I hope you enjoyed this invigorating, shorter morning practice. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. I know it's very different from the usual seated and yin, but if you'd like to see more of these, let me know, and I will see you again soon for another practice.